this video, I will show you how I turned a toy boat into a really powerful race boat. I got this NQD Mosquito, which originally comes with two brushed DC 380 motors, and wanted to add a 775 single motor and a dedicated rudder. As always, see a demo of the result at the end of this video. I had used the 775 motor already in previous projects and turned some other boats into pretty powerful race boats. After removing all of the electrical parts, I was able to add the drive shaft. I then built a motor mount from wood and glued the whole construction into the boat. Time for the first test. Center of gravity and propeller size were not perfect in the beginning, so it was really jumping like a dolphin. When I changed the position of the battery, it definitely improved. But I'm not yet there. So I was not able to go over 50% motor speed as the boat got really unstable. I will recheck my constructions and hope to present a better result in one of the following videos. Thanks for watching.